If you are noticing wrinkles, fine lines, sagging skin and loss of facial definition, ignoring these early signs can make them look even more noticeable over time. While aging is natural, there are simple tools that may help to support circulation, reduce puffiness and keep your skin looking firmer and more refreshed. In today's video, I am sharing 5 popular face tools and how to use them as a part of your anti-aging routine. So let's get started. First up is the Guasha. This traditional facial massage tool helps to improve blood circulation, reduce puffiness and create a more sculpted appearance. It can also help to relax facial tension, which may contribute to the formation of fine lines and wrinkles over time. To use this, apply a facial oil and gently glide the tool upwards and outwards along your jawline, cheeks, forehead for a few minutes. Next is the Rose Quartz face roller. This cooling tool is great for reducing morning puffiness and giving your skin a refreshed look. It also helps skincare products absorb better into the skin. Simply roll it upward motions across your face and neck. For an extra cooling effect, keep it in the refrigerator before use. If your skin looks tired, puffy or inflamed, an ice roller can be a game changer. The cooling sensation helps to tighten the appearance of pores, reduce puffiness and instantly wakes up the skin. If you are someone who wakes up with a puffy face, then you should definitely try this ice roller in the morning. Use it on clean skin and gently roll it all over your face for 2 to 5 minutes, especially around the eyes and cheeks. The Ayurvedic Kansa wand is becoming increasingly popular for its ability to promote circulation and give the skin a healthy glow. Regular use can help to relax facial muscles, reduce tension and improve overall appearance of the skin. Apply a facial oil and massage using gentle circular motions, focusing on the cheeks, jawline, forehead and around the eyes. Finally, we have the LED light therapy. For anti-aging benefits, the most commonly used light is the red light, which helps to stimulate collagen production and improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Some devices also use near-infrared light, which works deeper within the skin. Use this device on a clean face or just add a moisturizer and switch on the red light. Consistency is the key when it comes to seeing results. I hope you got some information in this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then give this video a thumbs up and also do share it with your friends and family. I will leave all the face tools link in the description box. Do check it out. Until the next time, take care. Bye.